shoulders is cold. Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom. I am Annette if you were new here. Today, I'm going to be doing an even shorter version of my 10-minute makeup routine. In that, I mean it will be a completely different routine and only 5 minutes. As you can see, I have nothing done on my face already. If it looks like I have a little bit of black eyeliner on, that's because I tried a new mascara yesterday and it does not come off well. As in, it comes off easily, but then hangs out and just kind of gives you raccoon eyes every couple hours. So let's get right into it in case you're in a hurry. So the first thing I'm gonna do, and you don't have to do this if you are not a primer person and if you have no issues with your skin, but I'm going to take the NYX pore filler and I'm just gonna throw this into my deep pore areas. Next, I'm totally skipping foundation today and I'm going to just go in with my concealer. Plop a little dab on my problem areas and go up in the eye space. A little bit on the lid and damp beauty blender. You can obviously use a brush if that makes blending a little faster for you. I'm just using a little bit of powder on my beauty blender just to press in under the eye so that doesn't crease. You can even use your eyeshadow if you're in a real hurry. To the eyes, I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm just going to go into the dark brown shade here. You can use whatever color you want, whatever matches your outfit, but I don't feel like lining with blue today. And I'm just going to press that over my lash line and just blend it out a little bit with my finger, just to give a little bit of something. Last, for eyes, I'm just going to throw a quick layer of Lash Paradise on my top lashes. I'm gonna just throw a little bit of pencil through my brows. Not wearing too much, I just want this to have a bit of fill because my eyebrows are invisible. For face, the only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a tiny little bit of blush on a flat bronzing brush and I'm just going to put that up here, make that redness look a little more natural. And then for lips, you can just do a lip balm or lip gloss. If you're pretty quick with liquid lipstick, do that. I'm going to use the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. And we're done! So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, if this helped you in any way, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We will see you in the next video.